Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the online Qur'an project website, which is what I'm recommending that you do for your references to the Qur'an in our course. So you can navigate to that site. OQP you can also key instead of online Qur'an project if you like. I'm using a very small screen right now, which is not the best situation. You want to use a bigger screen than this, but what'll happen is a random chapter of the Quran will come up. This is page 531 of their version, chapter 55 of the Quran, Surah 55 I guess I should say. And what you notice is that there are a number of features. On the left hand side, right here, there is a search that you can either search in the Abdullah Yusuf Ali translation, which is the default search engine that you can use. What I wanted to show you, so you can just key in whatever word you like and you can search it full text. Alternatively, you can close that and you can also browse by surah. So you can, obviously you're in Surah 55 right now, which begins God Most Gracious. Or you can close that, and what I wanted to show you is to show you how to select a translation. Because that's what you're going to need to do for when you're using this. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down to English. There are a whole bunch of different translations in everything from Azerbaijani to Dutch to English to German. All the major languages have translations of the Quran, which is great. As I mentioned, the Abdullah Yusuf Ali translation is what is on there as a default setting. I'm going to uncheck that because I wanted to recommend a couple of different ones to you. The professor of Islamic studies at our university, Leah Takim, recommends the Shakir translation, just so you want to check that box. And I'm also going to have you, I'm going to also check the Muhammad Assad translation, which is good because it has a number of notes that are helpful. And what you notice here is with this green check mark, it means it's widely accepted. And it also has notes, an introduction, and yeah, the commentary is available, which can be very helpful when it comes to actually digging into what the details of the text are. So I'm going to select those two translations, and then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and if this works, I'm going to submit that, and this text is going to change to reflect my new selections. So you have the Yusuf Ali, which I should have unchecked, you have the Muhammad Assad, and the Shakir. I'm going to go back into that, and I'm going to uncheck the Arabic, which you notice is on the right hand side of your page. There's the Arabic right there. So we're not going to need, unless you read Arabic, that's not going to be very useful for you. So I'm going to uncheck that, and immediately it changes to select that out of the frame. Then I'm going to go back into this, and I'm going to select, yeah, they've got everything: Swahili, Romanian, Persian, all kinds of different things. So I'm going to unselect the Yusuf Ali translation. That's an old translation, 1938. And what you'll have then is just the Muhammad Assad and the Shakir. I like these two because the Shakir is what's recommended by Takim, and the Assad is really great because you notice it has these subtitles, or not subtitles, but footnotes. So you click on the footnote and it'll immediately scroll to a note about the text explaining what the details of the text are, and those can be very helpful if you're doing any kind of scholarly work on this. So I hope that clarifies how you can best use this resource, the Online Qur'an Project. It's a fantastic resource for understanding Islam better than one can without using their sacred text. So I hope that's helpful, and enjoy.